probably have some broken fidgets. Like this one has a hole in it. This one. Like, what is this? I'm gonna scare someone into thinking that this is the Squeezy's new unreleased snake. Trading super rare Squeezy snake. I love all my fidgets. Especially these two new Nidos. What did I hear? A Squeezy snake? Yes. Me. That girl is rich. She's the popsicle, the dream drop, and the axolotl. What do you got to trade? I can give you like this croissant. It's like really cute. This is really rare and it's unreleased. I really want that Squeezy snake. I'll give you this shaggy one, it's really good. Wait, before you say add, I'll give you the axolotl. Add a little bit more. This is really rare. What am I gonna add? I love this gumdrop, it's so good. Here. This girl's giving me so much good things, just for Feek's sake. I'm gonna make her add both of her Nidos. I'll only accept if you add your popsicle and your dream drop. What? But those are my only Nidos. I'm really gonna miss this. Here. Hello. Don't forget the popsicle. Dang it, I really thought I could trick her. No. Goodbye, popsicle. There. Oh, yes. I can't believe I'm scamming her. This is a fake snake. Except. Yes, except. I gotta take this stuff before she notices. Yes. Oh, yes, the snake. What? This is not a Squeezy's. Now my fidget collection is baroque. Mwahaha. I scammed her. God, I have the popsicle. The dream drop Loki looks ugly with the bottom. I think I'm gonna pretend and trick people. This is the bottom. This is a sploot spot. I'm gonna scam that one girl again so she has no fidgets. Mwahaha. Well, now I have no squishies. Maybe I can go to the trading hub. I really want this blue splat. But that's never gonna happen. Made it to the trading hub. Time to take this bad boy off. Trade it away. Trading super rare, limited edition purple blue splat. Can't find it anywhere. Did I just hear someone say blue splat? Wait, is that the same girl? Wait, that splat looks really nice. Hey, why'd you hit me? You can't touch this blue splat until you add. I want the rest of your fidget except the snake. What? But then I'll have no fidgets except the snake. This isn't even a fidget. But do you want this blue splat or not? I really want it. Fine. Here. Happy? Except? Oh my god, I scammed her again. Except. Go take him. Yes. Oh my god, this blue splat. What? Oh my god, she scammed me. Is this the bottom of the dream drop? Now I'm poor. I'm rich. Haha. Look at that brokey. I'm gonna leave the trading hub. Now, I obviously have to do a Fidget. So first I have this Shaggy, this Orby, Gumdrop I scammed her for, Popsicle I also scammed this Baroque for, this Oreo Top Squishy, it's meh, but I can scam people with it. All the type of squishies are meh. I have this banana, my favorite type of squishy. And I have this broken, whatever this is. And then I have the axolotl. Oh, yeah, and this like croissant thingy. And I have this banana. It broke, but I guess I can scam. I have this super cute shark squishmallow. Alien, love it. The Dream Drop, my all-time favorite. And then the Slow Rise, I guess. Bye guys.